Let's talk about the real giants of construction, heavy equipment. These are the machines that make the impossible possible, the unsung heroes that turn blueprints into reality. Without them, our modern world would look very different. No highways, no towering buildings, no engineered landscapes. They are the backbone of every major project, quietly shaping the world around us. These machines are the muscle behind reshaping the land, turning raw earth into something new. With their immense power and versatility, they can move mountains, literally. From clearing forests to leveling hills, they prepare the ground for whatever comes next, whether it's a road, a building, or a pond. Today, we're following the creation of a massive pond dam, transforming a swampy patch into a lasting water feature. It's a process that requires not just brute force, but careful planning and coordination. Every scoop of earth, every pass of the machine is part of a larger vision coming to life. This isn't just digging a hole, it's a feat of engineering, demanding strength, precision, and strategy. The operators must read the land, anticipate challenges, and adapt on the fly. It's a dance between man and machine where every move counts. The star? The excavator, an all-purpose powerhouse with the finesse to carve trenches and the brawn to move mountains. Its hydraulic arm is like an extension of the operator's own hand, capable of both delicate maneuvers and heavy lifting. Whether it's digging deep foundations or shaping the contours of a pond, the excavator is up for the task. Watching a skilled operator is like seeing an artist at work, every movement calculated. The cab becomes a cockpit, the levers and pedals an orchestra of control. It takes years of experience to master these machines, to know just how much pressure to apply, how to balance power with precision. These machines make highways, skyscrapers, and today, a pond possible. They are the silent partners in every great construction story, working tirelessly behind the scenes. From the tallest towers to the deepest ditches, their fingerprints are everywhere. We'll start at the toughest spot, a swampy, bottomless ditch. This is where the real test begins. The ground is soft, unpredictable, and unforgiving. It's a challenge that would stop most machines in their tracks. But not these. The challenge is real. Mud, water, and unstable ground. Every move risks getting stuck or losing traction. It's a battle against the elements, where experience and the right equipment make all the difference. But with the right machines and operators, even the messiest problems can be solved. Teamwork is essential. Operators communicate with ground crews, making sure every action is safe and effective. It's a coordinated effort where trust and skill go hand in hand. We'll see how they tackle the impossible, turning chaos into order. Over time, what looks like a hopeless mess is transformed into a foundation for something new. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of machines. This is the work that shapes our world, one bucket of dirt at a time. Every load moved, every trench dug, brings us closer to the finished project. It's slow, steady progress, but the results are nothing short of remarkable. Get ready to see the transformation up close. We'll witness the sweat, the skill, and the sheer determination it takes to build something from the ground up. The journey from swamp to structure is about to begin. It's a story of overcoming obstacles, of turning vision into reality, and of the mighty machines that make it all possible. Let's get our boots muddy and dive in. The adventure starts now, and you won't want to miss a single moment of this incredible transformation. Every big project starts with a big problem. Here, it's a swampy ditch right where the dam needs to go. Before any real progress can happen, the crew faces a landscape that's more like a bog than a building site. The ground is saturated, unstable, and unpredictable, making even the simplest tasks a major challenge. This isn't just mud, it's a deep, sticky, waterlogged mess that can't support anything heavy. The excavator's tracks sink with every move, and the bucket comes up coated in a thick layer of muck. It's the kind of ground that swallows boots, bogs down machines, and threatens to halt construction before it even begins. Build on it, and the dam would sink or fail. The weight of the structure would press down, causing the whole thing to shift, crack, or even collapse. That's why this swampy mess is more than just an inconvenience. It's a serious engineering obstacle. So the first step is to remove every bit of this unstable muck. The crew carefully scoops out the wet, loose soil, working methodically to avoid getting stuck themselves. It's a slow, painstaking process, but absolutely necessary. The mud is thick, heavy, and clings to everything, making excavation a challenge. Every load is a battle, as the sticky soil refuses to let go of the machinery. Equipment needs constant cleaning and maintenance just to keep going. Water constantly seeps in, turning the worksite into a battle against nature. Even as the crew digs, groundwater and rain try to undo their progress, filling every hole and trench with more water and mud. Digging here means fighting both the ground and the water, which tries to refill every hole. Pumps run constantly, but the water keeps coming, making it a race against time and the elements. The crew's solution: dig deep, 8 or 9 feet below the future pond bottom, to remove all the weak material. Only by reaching solid, stable ground can they create a foundation strong enough to support the dam for years to come. This creates a core trench, a clean slate for building. The trench will eventually be filled with compacted, watertight material, forming the backbone of the dam's structure. Only by clearing out the swampy gunk can they ensure the dam's strength. It's a crucial step that sets the stage for everything that follows. And there's no shortcut. It's a massive, messy job, but it's the foundation for everything that follows. The crew's determination and teamwork are put to the test as they battle the elements and the unforgiving ground. The success of the entire project depends on conquering this first challenge. If they can't win against the mud, nothing else can move forward. With the swamp gone, real construction can begin. The transformation starts here, as the site is finally ready for the next phase. From a swampy mess to a solid foundation, this is where the future dam truly begins to take shape. Now, the excavator takes center stage. The operator carefully scoops out the swampy muck, piling it to form a temporary barrier. Each bucketful is heavy and wet, demanding precision and control. The process is slow, methodical, and requires constant attention to stability. As the trench deepens, the risk of collapse grows, and the operator must adapt. They dig below the water table, racing against time and geology to reach solid ground. The goal: expose a stable layer that can anchor the dam. Hours of work transform the bog into a clean, deep channel. The pile of excavated mud stands as proof of progress. The excavator's job is done, order from chaos, and the site is ready for the next phase. The dirty dance is over and the foundation is set. Now it's time to build up. The real structure begins here. With the muck gone, the empty trench needs filling, but not with just any dirt. The material chosen for this job is critical, because it will determine the dam's strength and its ability to hold back water for generations. Ordinary soil just won't do. What's needed is something special, something with unique properties that can stand up to the immense pressure of a reservoir. The answer is dense, dry clay, stockpiled in advance for this moment. This clay isn't just any earth. It's been carefully selected and stored, waiting for the perfect time to be used. Its density and low permeability make it ideal for creating a watertight seal at the heart of the dam. Clay is the secret weapon, forming a waterproof barrier at the dam's core. When packed tightly, its tiny particles lock together, leaving almost no room for water to seep through. This is what makes clay so valuable in dam construction. It's nature's own shield against leaks. The dozer pushes clay into the trench layer by layer. Each pass is deliberate, ensuring the clay is evenly distributed and reaches every corner of the trench. This careful placement is essential for building a strong, uniform core. Each layer is compacted, eliminating air pockets and creating a solid foundation. Compaction is more than just flattening the clay. It's about squeezing out every bit of air, so the clay becomes as dense and impermeable as possible. This process is repeated over and over, building up the core, one solid layer at a time. This isn't just filling a hole, it's engineering a watertight wall. Every movement, every adjustment is made with precision. The workers and machines are building a barrier that will stand up to the relentless force of water, season after season. The first loads are crucial, setting the base for everything above. If the foundation isn't perfect, the entire dam could be at risk. That's why the initial layers are placed with extra care, checked and rechecked for consistency and compaction. As the trench fills, the dam's core takes shape. What started as an empty channel is now transforming into the backbone of the entire structure. Each new layer brings the dam one step closer to completion. The weakest point becomes the strongest, thanks to careful planning and execution. Inspections are constant, ensuring every inch of clay meets strict standards. It's this attention to detail that turns vulnerability into strength. The clay core is the dam's hidden strength, ensuring stability for decades. Buried deep within the structure, it quietly does its job, holding back millions of gallons of water and protecting everything downstream. Out with the bad, in with the good. That's the construction mantra. Any soil that doesn't meet the strict requirements is removed and replaced with high-quality clay, guaranteeing the integrity of the dam's core. The swamp is conquered, and the real building begins. What was once a muddy, unstable mess is now a carefully prepared foundation, ready to support the massive weight of the dam above. The foundation is now ready for the next stage. With the clay core in place, the dam is set to rise, stronger and more resilient thanks to the power of clay and the expertise of those who shape it. With the clay core in place, it's time to build the dam itself. Dump trucks haul in load after load of select fill dirt from a borrow pit. Each truck dumps its load, and the dozer spreads it into thin, even layers. The process is repeated, inch by inch, raising the dam's height. After spreading, a roller compacts each layer, squeezing out air and increasing density. Every layer must meet strict standards before the next is added. This cycle, haul, spread, compact, is the heartbeat of dam construction. On a good day, dozens of loads are moved, each one building the structure higher. The team's coordination keeps the process efficient and steady. The dirt parade transforms a flat landscape into a towering embankment. Every machine and operator plays a vital role. The dam rises, one layer at a time. Water is always a threat on a construction site, especially in low areas. To protect the dam, the crew digs a temporary drainage ditch alongside the work zone. This channel intercepts runoff, keeping the site dry and safe. The dam is built with intentional gaps to let water flow through until the final stages. It's a smart, proactive approach, managing water instead of fighting it. Only when the dam is nearly complete will these gaps be closed. This phase strategy shows true expertise in working with nature. You can't just block water, you have to guide it. Water management is as crucial as moving dirt. None of this is possible without a team of powerful machines. The Volvo excavator leads the charge, digging and placing with precision. The dozer follows, pushing and shaping earth into the dam's core and slopes. Dump trucks form the supply line, hauling dirt non-stop. The roller finishes each layer, compacting it into a solid mass. Each machine has a specialized role, working together seamlessly. The excavator is the surgeon, the dozer the sculptor, the truck's the lifeline, and the roller the finisher. This mechanical crew turns blueprints into reality. It's a symphony of steel and skill. Together, they build the backbone of the project. The scale of this project is staggering. Hundreds of truckloads of earth moved and shaped. The dam is 20 feet wide at the top, stable enough for heavy equipment to cross. The core trench alone required digging deep and refilling with dense clay. Just the foundation took 9 loads of dirt, and that's only the start. In a single afternoon, the team moved and compacted 50 loads. There's still a mountain of clay and fill waiting to be used. Every load represents tons of material and hours of effort. This is construction on a massive scale, measured in tons and teamwork. The world we live in is built on this kind of effort. This dam is a testament to what can be achieved with determination and machinery. With the foundation set and the dam rising, the crew's teamwork is on full display. The process is relentless, hauling, spreading, compacting day after day. The goal reached the final height one layer at a time. The team also manages other tasks, like clearing brush and managing water. Every role is essential, from operators to project managers. No one can do this alone. It's a true team effort. The project is a marathon, requiring vision, patience, and skill. It's not just about machines, it's about the people behind them. Their hard work and pride will leave a lasting mark on the land. This is what happens when human skill and powerful machines come together.